Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today as part of this session, we will understand one more interesting feature that is visual testing. So we need to understand what exactly this visual testing. So let's go to the official site. So this is the official website where you can see visual comparison. So what exactly this comparison? Playwright test includes the ability to produce and visually compare screenshot using await expected page dot to have screenshot. So what exactly it means? So when suppose you open a specific page, suppose this is a page, okay. So what does this visual comparison does? So when we take this screenshot, suppose this is a project and this is your login page, or you can set home page, okay. So if there is a requirement in a project that you need to check whether every button, every field, every search box should be there in the same position every time when you land on the home page. Like suppose you open this page and it should be in the red color, it should be in the black color, it should be in the GUI element should be in the red color, and there should be a WordPress logo should be there, there should be a green color start button. So if you want if you there is if you have a requirement like this, then you can utilize this visual comparison functionality of Playwright. Okay, so I'll repeat it again. Whenever you have a requirement that every button, every link, every color, every pixel has to be same on each load, then you can use this visual comparison functionality of Playwright to automate. Okay, so I don't think so. No other tool has this capability. So let's check how we should do. So what I'll do, I'll take this website, I'll copy, okay, and this is I have created a simple skeleton of the project where I have imported the test and expect function from the playwright test module, and I've created a test function, and I've created a visual testing. So what I'll do, I'll start with await page dot go to, and here inside it I will paste the URL, and I will write expect page dot screenshot dot to match snapshot. Snapshot. What snapshot? Suppose home page dot png. Suppose let's take, you can give any name. So let's take home page. So I will add await over here. Okay. So how it will work? Okay. Let's check. So uh, what it will do, for the first time when it executes, it will capture the screenshot of the page where it got landed. Okay, so it landed on this testautomationpractice.com. Okay, so what exactly it will do, it will capture the screenshot and it will compare with the homepage.png. So where exactly this homepage.png is there? So as of now, it's not there. So when you execute this test case for the first time, it will create in the test folder. The reason being this test case is under test folder, right? So it will create a homepage.png under the test folder. From the second execution onwards, it will act as a base image. Like in a test case, what exactly we're comparing? Expected with actual, right? So this is the actual and this is the expected. Okay, so for the first execution, it will fail. It will say this homepage.png, that means the base image is not present. So the test case will fail. From the second execution onwards, as this homepage.png is already will be already present in the test folder, it will compare that with the actual image. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I'll execute npx playwright test visual testing dot spec.js hyphen headed. Let's see, it will fail for the first time by saying a snapshot does not exist in the test folder. Okay, so let's execute the next time. See, in the next time it will pass because if you see a homepage.png is already present. this automation test practice, it captured the screenshot, everything, and from the next test onwards, it got passed. See, because it compared everything. See, okay, homepage.png, it compared and it successfully got passed. Okay, so if you want to execute the next time, that also you can do. Let's execute it next time, one more time. Great, it got passed, right? See, so I told you, right, for the first time it will fail because this folder was not there. So if I'll delete one more time, you can check. See, it deleted. Again, I've deleted this button, sorry, the image, and I will execute it. It will fail because there is no image, there is no base image over here. It will fail with the same, that the particular image is not present in the location. Okay, from the next execution onwards, as it will refer this homepage.png as a reference, or you can say as a base image, so it will pass from the next execution. Okay, so likewise you have to keep in mind, whatever the module you will take in that, if you have a requirement, this kind of requirement, then you can use this visual comparison functionality of Playwright. Okay, so that's it for today's, guys. That's for today's topic. I hope you understood this topic. So we'll meet in the next video with some new topic. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.